Are you having a good season?
Hey Finch keepers, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we have fledglings right there and some new eggs, also some new hatchlings or new chicks right in our nest boxes. Up here we have two fledglings from our normal grays, and here we have three fostered chicks that have fledged. Those three chicks are from this pair right here, and this pair right here, they have two chicks right here. Wow, beautiful. So last video they have 4 eggs, and there's only 2 that have hatched. Then here we have new eggs here. Hopefully those 3 eggs are fertile. And those eggs are from our fawn and gray hen, normal gray hen right there. And the chicks from here are from our fawn and cream pair right there. Here we have our CFW pair. Let's see the babies. So these two have 3 eggs, and now they have only 2 babies, and they're quite big now. And it's really interesting that the other chick has darker skin and the other one has lighter skin. So they say the lighter skin is a continental CFW, or a CFW with very dark markings, and the dark skinned one, those are CFW that are more pale or have a lighter color. So the white one has very dark markings, and the darker one has very light markings. So that's very interesting. So we'll see if that's true, and we'll wait for them to grow. And then here we have our cream, and they lay some eggs when they have their chicks there, and I put the eggs here. And yeah, those are 5 eggs and all are infertile, so I just replaced their nesting materials here, so I put new ones right there. So hopefully they will breed again, and I'm really hoping that we'll get more of that color. That's a cream male right there. As you can see, he has a very light chick patch or white chick patch right there, very light markings. So that's known as silver fawn worldwide, but here in New Zealand they call it cream. And down here we have a normal gray hen and 2 CFW male. So I believe the RCFW is silver. So they have, I think, 6 eggs right there. So hopefully all of those will hatch, and we need those babies to prove that the male is a silver CFW. But if they don't produce any silver that looks like our hen right there, so what should the baby look like if we combine silver CFW and normal gray hen? But if they don't give us that color, our CFW are not silver. So I hope that we will have silver from them, and I hope this CFW are silver. And yeah, all of the eggs here, by the way, are all fertile. And we have our new pair here, our pied grizzle, right there. They don't have any eggs yet, but they've started building their nests. I hope that they will breed so we can have more pied grizzle. And yeah, we have our fledglings up here and 2 chicks in here and another 2 chicks in here. And then this has eggs, that one has eggs, and these 2 have their new nesting materials right there. And here we have our young birds. Our CFW here, the 3 CFW are very beautiful. I like their shapes. They're huge, by the way. They're true show quality zebra finch. And that fawn right there and the gray at the very end are from our creams right here. So our fledglings here, we have 2 here and 3 here. We're gonna move those to our nursery cage right there for our young zebra finches. And yeah, I've seen these chicks here eat by themselves, and I'm pretty sure these 3 as well. But we'll do this first. So we got all our fledglings and they're all in here right there. Beautiful. So now let's go to our back breeding cages. We have our other zebra finches there, and we'll see how the breeding is going. Let's go straight here at the back to their nest boxes. And here we have 1 baby zebra finch. They have 3 eggs and 2 hatched, but the other chick died. So there's only 1 chick right there. So I hope that's gonna be a black face, because our pair in here is normal gray and black face. Here, no eggs. And here we got 3 eggs in here. I'm still not sure if these 3 are fertile. And here we have 4 eggs, and as you can see, the color difference, this one is a lot whiter and the other 3 is a lot brownish white. So those ones are infertile, and there's only 1 fertile egg right there. That's from fawn. And here we have no eggs, and I believe there's no eggs as well in here. Yep, no eggs. And hopefully we still get more chicks from our breeders here. And yeah, these are the pairs that we have in here. So this one have one chick, that's a normal gray, and that's a black face hen. Here we have a black face hen, or maybe a normal gray hen, and CFW. And here we have black face and normal gray. So I might change the normal gray hen right there. I think she's not the best hen that we have. And right beside them we have our CFW silver and normal gray hen. No eggs for this one, and 4 eggs for our fawn, but only 1 fertile egg. And here we have three birds in here. So normal gray black face and fawn cock, and then normal gray hen. So they have no eggs still. And I'm just gonna show you guys this pair right here. We have, that's our society finch. I think they have 2 chicks in there, so I hope those are crested ones right there. So I'm not good at breeding Bengalis, and some of my birds have died right in here. And yeah, because they love water so much and they always run out of water, that's why they die. Compared to zebra finches, they are not that into water, so their drinking bottles last long than our Bengalese ones. That's why I need to keep an eye on their drinks, on their water, so that they won't thirst and die. And yeah, that's our update for our zebra finches right here. So I'm still hoping that we'll able to breed this 3 and those 2 right there. And yeah, and wish me luck, guys, to have more chicks to hatch for these pairs that we have in here, and that would be great. So the other zebra finches that are previously in there, because they are not in condition, I decided to move them in our mini aviary and change the pairs also. So hopefully we could have more chicks. And yeah, the black face FW, we moved that male in here. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed our update for our zebra finches in our front breeding cage and at the back as well. And yeah, we have quite a few young zebra finches in here. So we have 3 young CFW, all hens, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 normal grays, and then 4 fawns. And yeah, so we have that much. So I'm still hoping that we'll able to get cream here and some silver chicks from here, and as well from the bottom one, because those mutation are rare here in New Zealand, and as well the black face. And yeah, that's what I'm aiming for our season this year. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy our video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now, and you'll be able to support me in my future uploads. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. See ya.